Hi guys! Today I'll tell you the recipe of citrus peeling mask for acne at home. To prepare the mask you'll need 3 orange slices, a tablespoon of instant coffee and a teaspoon of honey. Grind the orange slices in a blender. Mix the resulting mass with coffee. Add liquid honey and mix well. Apply the remedy to the face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask for 20 minutes. After that, wash the face with warm water. To maintain the effect of clear skin, the procedure should be carried out regularly twice a week. This mask will not only remove acne, but also whiten and tone the skin.